Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss NEET Biology MCQs 2025 Part 5th. The net gain of ATP in anaerobic glycolysis is option A 0, B 2, option C 4, option D 8. So the correct option is B 2. Which of the following shows discontinuous DNA synthesis? Option A leading strand, B lagging strand, C template strand, and option D none of the above. So the correct option is B lagging strand. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. The QRS complex and the ECG represents option A atrial depolarization, B ventricular depolarization, C ventricular repolarization, and option D atrial repolarization. So the correct option is B ventricular depolarization. So how many ATP molecules are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during photosynthesis? Option A 12, B 18, C 24, and option D 36. So the correct option is B 18. The protein product of the cry gene is toxic to option A bacteria, B fungi, C insects, option D weeds. Correct option is C insects. The pioneer species in primary succession on rock is usually option A algae, B bryophytes, C lichens, D mosses. So the correct option is C lichens. The cause of an algal bloom is option A heavy rainfall, B acid rain, C eutrophication, and option D ozone depletion. So the correct option is C eutrophication. Sacred groves are examples of option A ex situ conservation, B in situ conservation, option C artificial selection, and option D genetic engineering. So the correct option is B in situ conservation. The enzyme Robisco shows option A only carboxylase activity, B only oxygenase activity, C both carboxylase and oxygenase activity. So the correct option is C both carboxylase and oxygenase activity. The first transgenic crop in India is BT cotton, B golden rice, C BT brinjal. So the correct option is A BT cotton. Which bacterium is used in BT cotton for pest resistance? Option A Bacillus subtilis, B Agrobacterium tumefaciens, C. Bacillus thuringiensis, and option D. Clostridium tetani. Correct option is C. Bacillus thuringiensis. A biopesticide is option A. DDT, B. Malathion, C. Bacillus thuringiensis, and option D. Copper sulfate. Correct option is C. Bacillus thuringiensis. Who proposed the R and K selection theory? Correct option is B. MacArthur and Wilson. In situ conservation involves option A. Gene banks, B. Botanical gardens, C. Wildlife sanctuaries, option D. Seed banks. Correct option is C. Wildlife sanctuaries. Thank you for watching my videos.